Hello and welcome to this video on building a references page for your paper. Now in this video I'm going to share with you the proper formatting for the reference page and provide two of the most commonly used sources in your paper. Now your assignment is going to require you to use APA formatted references and use them properly, so you're going to make sure you need to understand these rules before you submit your assignment. As you see in this example, the reference page begins on a new page in your paper and uses the APA Heading 1 style with the heading of References. The next thing you should notice is the sorting that we use in the references section. The references are sorted alphabetically by the last name of the first author. And this is going to be the first author that's identified in your source. So you're going to want to pay attention to the order of the authors listed in the publication and make sure that this order is maintained when adding those sources to your references page. Now next, take a look at the half-inch hanging indentation that's used for each reference. You'll note that the first line of the reference is justified with the left margin, while subsequent lines are going to be indented a half an inch. Now I strongly urge you to learn how to use the ruler in your word processor to adjust the left indentation rather than using manual tabs to adjust all of the subsequent lines to make sure that they're indented properly. So learn how to use that ruler and that will save you a lot of time. Now let's look at our first example. Here we see an example of a reference to a journal article. The reference begins with a listing of the authors using the same order as noted in the publication. The authors are listed with the last name first, followed by the first initial. Commas are going to be used between the authors, and the ampersand sign precedes the final author in the list. Now following the list of authors is, in parentheses, the year of publication. And then after this period, you'll see the name of the article. Now, a common error in referencing publications is with the capitalization. Please note that only the first letter of the first word is capitalized. All remaining words are going to be left in lowercase. Now, this is repeated in the event that the title includes a subtitle. In this case, the first letter of the first word of the subtitle is also capitalized, while the remaining words are left lowercase. Next, you'll see the name of the journal that's going to be listed in italics, and it's going to use title case capitalization rules. The name of the publication is then followed by a comma with the journal's volume number, that's also in italics, and then the issue number, that's going to be in parentheses. After another comma, the page range of the article within the journal is included and preceded with the final period right there. Now the second example, our Brewer and Dittman example here, is a reference to a book. This is going to be another common source that's going to be used in your paper. Now in this example, the same rules apply for listing the authors as well as the year of publication. Next, the book title is listed using the capitalization for only the first letter of the first word in the title and subtitle. In this case, you'll notice that IT is capitalized. The use of acronyms and initialisms retain their capitalization in the subtitles and titles. Also note the use of the italics for the book title. After the book title, you'll see the name of the city and the state where the book was published, and then a colon, and then the name of the publisher, followed by this final period. Now this brief video provides only a quick demonstration of the two most common types of publications you'll use in your paper. You should refer back to the publication manual of the American Psychological Association, the 6th edition, which we commonly refer to as the APA manual, for a complete list of rules and examples for each of these types of publications. I hope this video helps you understand the formatting required for your references section in your paper. Please use this to help you get started, but make sure you refer back to your APA manual for a complete set of rules of formatting guidelines.